Assalamu alaikum. I am Fakhrul Sajib. Today we are going to learn the difference between drop and truncate in MySQL. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. In my previous video, we went across the drop table and drop database command. When I use drop table, it will remove all the structure of the table. I mean the data along with the structure of a table will be removed from the database structure. However, if I want the table skeleton, I mean the structure would be there, but I want to remove all the data, I can go for the truncate table statement. Let's see practically how we can truncate any existing table with the data. This is our favorite MySQL workbench. First, I create database and table. In my first video, I have shown you how to do this. Execute the selected portion. If we refresh, test, table, customer, column, ID, name. ID, name. I want to insert some value. Insert into database name dot table name, column ID, name, values, 1 and name Sajib. ID 1 and name Sajib. First we select query, execute this. First we see the ID, name, no value. Now I will insert one row. Insert into test, one row affected. If we select, then execute. See, ID 1, name Sajib. First we will drop table. Then we will use truncate. If we drop table, table name, database name, database name, table name. If we see drop table, execute the selected portion, drop. See, we have no table. If we select this, we will not find anything. Table does not exist. So the structure of the table is removed. Now I will write truncate. Before that, I again create this database. ID name. We select this, we see more data, ID name. We will insert 1 value. We select this, ID 1 name. We remove this. I'm typing truncate table. First I am reading the Syntax. First comment out this double hash truncate table database name dot table name. This is syntax. Truncate table database name dot table name. Our database name is test, table name customer. Truncate table database name test, test dot table name customers. We will execute this query. ID name. All the data will be deleted, not column ID name. See, 0 is affected. We'll select this, select star from test customers. See, only data is deleted using truncate command. Only data is deleted, ID column is existing and ID column or field. That means table structure is already present. So to sum up, the drop table command deletes a table in the database, whereas the truncate table command deletes the data inside a table but not the table itself. I hope that you understand the difference between the drop table and truncate table in MySQL. Thank you for watching this video.